Next time you make chicken, try this easy and delicious recipe. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start our recipe by cutting 2 chicken breasts into strips. Then cut them into cubes. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Okay, now add the whole chicken breast to a large bowl. Then add the yolk of 3 eggs. Want to surprise your family for lunch or dinner? Then you need to make this recipe. Now we're going to add half a spoonful of salt, half a spoonful of black pepper, and half a spoonful of sweet paprika. Once done, mix everything very well until combined. Oh, and tell me in the comments how you prepare chicken at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Now we're going to add parsley to taste. Then we're going to add a spoonful of mayonnaise. Now we're going to mix everything very well. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about which city or country you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Done! Next, we'll add 150 grams of grated cheese. Mix everything well again. If you like chicken but don't know how to prepare it, this is a perfect option for you to make. It's delicious. So save the recipe so you don't lose it. Now we'll add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix everything well again until it's integrated. After I discovered this chicken recipe, I make it twice a week here at home. The family loves it. It's quick and easy and delicious. If you want to keep receiving more recipes like this, leave a comment below. I want to. And you'll always receive our recipes firsthand. Now set aside. Then, in a frying pan, we'll add a little olive oil with the help of a brush. Spread everything very well. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken in here. Let it fry on one side and then turn it over to fry on the other side. This is a different way to prepare chicken that's very tasty. If you haven't done it this way yet, you need to make this recipe. You won't want to know anything else. Now, just turn it over and let it fry on the other side. And look how beautiful this chicken looks. The smell is making your mouth water. It's perfect for lunch or dinner. After frying both sides, remove and place on a plate and serve. And if you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10 to let me know what you think of this recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it, and now I'm going to leave it at that. A big hug and see you in the next recipe.